Meaning of research. Research, in common parlance, refers to the search for knowledge. Research can be defined as the scientific and systematic search for relevant information on a specific topic. Research is an art of scientific investigation. The Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English lays down that the meaning of research as a careful investigation or inquiry through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Research is an endless quest for knowledge or an unending search for truth. It brings to light new knowledge or corrects previous errors and misconceptions and adds it in an orderly way. Some people consider research as a movement from known to the unknown. It is actually a voyage of discovery. We all possess the vital instinct of inquisitiveness, for when the unknown confront us, we wonder, and our inquisitiveness makes us probe and attain full and fuller understanding of the unknown. This inquisitiveness is the mother of all knowledge and the method. Definition of research. Research is an honest, exhaustive, intelligent searching of facts and their meanings or implications with reference to a problem, as the definition given by P. M. Cook. According to Redman and Mori, research is a systematized effort to gain new knowledge. The New Oxford English Dictionary defines research as the scientific investigation into and study of material, sources, etc. in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Next is we are going to see about the nature and characteristics of research. Research is a systematic and critical investigation into a phenomena. It is not mere compilation of facts. It adopts scientific method. Research is objective and logical. It is based on empirical evidence. Research is directed towards finding answers to questions. It emphasizes the generalization of theories and principles. Objectives of research. The purpose of research is to discover answers to questions through the application of scientific procedures. The main aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered yet. We may think the research objectives falling into a number of following broad groupings. The first one is to gain familiarity with the phenomena or to achieve new insights into it. Next is to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation, or a group. The next objective is to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. And the last one is to test a hypothesis of causal relationship between the variables. Characteristics of research. The first characteristic is empirical, which means that research is based on observations and experimentation on theories. It is based on direct experience or observation by the researcher. Next is research is systematic. Research follows an orderly and sequential procedure. It is conducted in a methodical manner without bias, using systematic method and procedures. The third one is it is controlled. Research controls all variables involved in the research process except those that are tested or experimented. Next is research employs hypothesis. Research uses hypothesis to ensure its findings. Hypothesis guides the investigation process. Research is analytical. Research utilizes proven analytical procedures in gathering the data. There is critical analysis of all data used so that there is no error in interpretation. Research is objective, unbiased, and logical. All the findings of the research are logical and based on empirical data. Research is replicable. The research design and procedures are replicated or repeated to enable the researcher to arrive at valid and conclusive results. Next is we are going to see about educational research. Educational research is defined as the research that investigates the behavior of students, teachers, administrators, parents, and other members of the community. The word behavior is taken broadly to mean such a phenomena as learning, attitudes, aptitudes, abilities, interests, practices, processes, emotions, etc. Educational research is a careful, systematic investigation into any aspect of education. Educational research is the application of principles and methods of scientific research for the solution of problems in education. The main function of research in education is to find improvement in the teaching-learning process. Definition of educational research. According to Mowley, educational research is the systematic application of scientific method for solving educational problems. According to Travers, educational research is an application of scientific method to study of educational problems. According to Whitney, educational research aims at finding out solution to educational problems by using scientific philosophical method. Nature of educational research. Educational research is highly purposive. It gathers new knowledge of data. A sound philosophy of education forms the basis of educational research. It needs insight, imagination, and scientific attitude of mind. Any teacher with reasonable common sense and intelligence can undertake educational research. It usually employs deductive reasoning. Educational research requires an interdisciplinary approach. It generally needs inexpensive material. Educational research cannot be a mechanical process. Better education, better schools, and better results of education are the chief purpose of educational research.